Hello everyone, welcome back to Plum Figgy. If you watched my video yesterday, you will have known that I had my mom's birthday party last night, and I brought my own dessert because I've cut sugar out of my diet for, let's see, at least a year now. It's probably more like a year and a half ago. It's not easy, guys, but there's definitely alternatives. Somebody asked me how the Vegan Blondies turned out that I made for myself. They're not very blonde, but here's what it looks like. Doesn't it look good? I'm going to have it for breakfast. So the recipe that I used was, this is just a little recipe book I've made for myself of recipes that I like. The recipe I used was this one. I found it on Pinterest, and I've edited it to fit into my thing here. But here's the ingredients list if you want to see it, or pause it and try it for yourself. And then, let's see, here's the instructions. Hopefully you can, let me make it a little bit closer. So, they're really good. I'll be honest. I messed up. Well, I didn't mess up. I didn't use, it calls for, you make your oat flour yourself with 2.5 cups of rolled oats, and then you just process those. And then baking soda, baking powder, and then flax meal, which is kind of like a substitute for eggs. It's a binder. And then 2 cups of pitted dates. I had chopped up dates left over that were kind of getting dry, and then I had a thing of date paste. I couldn't figure out an equivalent for 2 cups of pitted dates to date paste, but my chopped up dates that were a little bit dry were roughly about a cup. I soaked those in with the, I use a combination of, and I don't remember the brand, but it's almond milk and coconut milk unsweetened, which is my plant milk that I tend to prefer. So I just soaked those in the plant milk while I was kind of doing a few other things for, I don't know, 10 minutes or so to hopefully soften them up a little bit. And then I put in roughly a cup of the date paste, which I think was probably too much, and that's why they're darker. So they're a lot sweeter, I guess, than maybe it's supposed to be. But anyway, it's really good. So, all right, a little intro to my video for today. So I'll be right back after I eat my breakfast. Bye, guys.